Hello student, today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions of Kingdom Plantae, Division Thallophyta, Algae. The first question is maximum assimilation of carbon dioxide through photosynthesis is contributed by. So the maximum assimilation of carbon dioxide is assimilated through photosynthesis by the algae. So the right choice is algae. Next question, which of the following is the parasitic species of algae? The parasitic species of algae is Cephalorus. B1. Next is green algae belong to B1, that is the Chlorophyceae. Next, peritinoid are proteins surrounded by oil drops, starch surrounded by protein grains, protein surrounded by starch grain. C is the right choice, that protein surrounded by starch grain is the peritinoids. Algae found in the thermal springs belongs to Cyanophyceae. The C choice is the right choice. Next is 6.1. Spirogara belong to order. Order is conjugates. A choice. Next is spiral arrangement of chloroplast is found in. Spiral arrangement of chloroplast is found in Spirogara. Due to this reason, it is named Spirogara. Red color of Red Sea is due to the Trichodesmium erythrum. That is the A choice. Zygospore of Spirogara is, the zygospore, it is diploid because it is formed after the fusion of the haploid gamete, and this is the sporophytic generation for a very short period. Iodine is obtained from Laminaria, that is A1. Pound silk is the name of Spirogara. It is due to the presence of mucilage on the upper surface of the Spirogara. Next one is, in Spirogara, meiosis takes place during during the germination of zygospore. So C is the right choice, that meiosis takes place during zygospore germination. Next one is, Spirogara filament grows in length by division of its. Spirogara filament grow in the length by the division of its apical cell, upper cell. There are two cells. The upper cell is growing into the filament of Spirogara and the second one in the rhizoid cell. 14 number, in Spirogara meiosis occurs as the zygospore germinates. That is the A choice. As zygospore germinates, meiosis is taking place. The next one is, during germination of zygospore in Spirogara, dash takes place. Same question is there, that meiosis is followed by mitosis. Meiosis is taking place in the germination of the zygospore and it is followed by the mitosis. Red tea rust is caused by Cephalorus. That is the D choice. All algae contain chlorophyll A and carotene. This is contained by all the algae. The gamete of Chlamydomonas are biflagellated. So B1 is the right choice. 19 is, the parasite algae is Cephalorus. A choice. Peritinoids are found in chloroplast. A choice is the right one, chloroplast. The process of mingling of protoplasm without nuclear fusion is called, it is called plasmogamy. That is the failure of sexual reproduction in which two nucleus are not fused, and so there is two nucleus present in one cell, they are not fused. This is called plasmogamy. Protoplasm of two parent cell fuses together without the fusion of nucleus. Next one is the dominating pigment occurring in the algae class Cyanophyceae is, that is the phycocyanin. C is the right choice of this question. On germination of each zygospore of Spirogyra give rise to. Choice A is 4 plants, 3 plants, 2 plants, 1 plants. So all of you know that when the zygospore germinates, there is 2 cells first. One is growing into hold fast cell, another into the filament. So only 1 plant grows from 1 zygospore. Parthenogenesis help to form dioecious, monoecious, zygospore, azygospore. The right choice will be azygospore. Floridian starch present in which of the following? In these 4 choices, one is the Maxophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Chlorophyceae and Phycophyceae. The right choice is Rhodophyceae. That is the red algae, Floridian starch. Conjugation result in the formation of, after conjugation what is formed? When the 2 gametes are fusing, then what is formed? Zygospore. So the right choice is zygospore C. Agar-agar is obtained from Galidium, that is the B choice. Fucoxanthin is present in which of the following? One is Maxophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Chlorophyceae or Phycophyceae. That is the D choice is the correct one, that is Phycophyceae. A study of algae is called, very simple, that is the phycology. Algae are kept into thallophytes. B choice, that is thallophytes. The best origin and evolution of the sex is seen in all these red, brown, green algae. In red algae, the evolution of sex is best. Children and grasses of sea are, 33 number question, that is children and grasses of sea are. Children are algae and grasses is diatoms. So the B choice, algae and diatoms. You have to see here. First one is diatom and algae. But children and grasses, it is given the children are algae and the grasses is given to diatoms. So this B choice is the right choice. Peritinoid are center of the storage of, at the center there is protein and it is surrounded by starch. So D choice is correct, that peritinoids are center of the storage of protein. Growth of Spirogyra does not occur in. Growth of Spirogyra pond scum. It is in the pond, lake, river. But see, here D choice is the right choice, that growth of Spirogyra does not occur in sea. During conjugation of Spirogyra, when the conjugation takes place in the Spirogyra, then only male gamete moves in amoeboid manner due to activity of the contractile vacuole. B number is only female gamete move in the amoeboid manner due to the activity of contractile vacuole. C is both gamete move in the amoeboid manner due to the activity of the contractile vacuole. Both gamete undergo twisting. The A choice is right, that the male one in the amoeboid movement, it moves in the female gametangium and there they fuses, that one. Only male gamete move in amoeboid manner due to activity of the contractile vacuole. A choice is the right. A scalariform conjugation takes place between. Ascalary-form conjugation is taking between two opposite strain of adjacent cell of same filament. Two opposite strain of different filament. B choice is the right one. Two opposite strains of different filament. When Ascalary-form conjugation takes place in three filament, zygospore will be formed. Is here the one condition is given that if there is zygospore, three filaments, then where the zygospore will be formed. If the negative is in middle, then the zygospore will be formed in the central. If the negative is either side and in middle there is positive, then the zygospore will be formed in the lateral filament. So I think D choice is the right choice. The pigment found only in all algae is chlorophyll, xanthophyll, carotene, phycobilins. So the B choice is carotene, that is common in all algae, found in all algae, that is the carotene. The number of the chloroplast in each cell of the Spirogyra is, according to the choice, 1 to, B is 2 to 16, C is 16 to 32, D is 3 to 32. The B is right, that 2 to 16. The name Spirogyra is given due to the presence of a spiral body, a spiral shape of the chloroplast, a spirally arranged chloroplast, and a spirally shaped of nucleus. It's a C choice, that is a spirally arranged chloroplast. Now, sexual reproduction of the Spirogyra involve the fusion of two gametes is taking place, in which one is motile, that is the male one, that is in amoeboid movement, it is going in the female one, and one is non-motile gamete, that C choice, one motile and one non-motile gamete. The most common type of sexual reproduction in Spirogyra is, that is the Ascalary form is the most common reproduction in Spirogyra. So in choice A, B, C, D, D is the right one, Ascalary form conjugation. Other are rare or very primitive, but Ascalary form is the common type of sexual reproduction in Spirogyra. Autotrophic group of plant which produce non-jacketed sex organ and thick-walled zygospore are bryophyte, lichens, phycophytes or thallophytes. The choice is D, thallophytes. Best origin and evolution of sex is shown by, already we have done one question, that in the red algae the sex organ is best grown. So best origin and the evolution of sex organ is seen in the red algae in comparison to the blue-green algae, green algae, brown algae. In the red algae it is more developed, best origin. Oogamy involve the fusion of oogamy. In oogamy the gametes are of different in shape, in size. So here motile male and non-motile female gamete, motile male and non-motile female gamete, that C1 is the right choice according to these all four choices. The main mode of the sexual reproduction in Spirogyra is, main mode of sexual reproduction, that is morphologically isogamy, correct, and physiologically anisogamy. It is right. Morphologically anisogamy, no, it is wrong. Isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. No, sexual reproduction morphologically isogamy but physiologically anisogamy. Yes, this is the right choice. In Spirogyra both the gametes are same, so morphologically it is isogamy and physiologically one is male and one is female. Okay, next is male gamete of the Spirogyra are motile and flagellate. Male gamete of a Spirogyra are motile and flagellate, motile and non-flagellate. Already in the Spirogyra the gamete do not contain the flagella, so it is motile. Male one is moving in the amoeboid movement from male to female gametangium. So here motile and non-flagellate. That one B is the right choice. Chlorophyll A, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, and phycocolloids are characteristic of. These all are present in red algae. So red algae is the right choice. A1 is the right choice. Ladder-like structure in the Spirogyra is seen during. Ladder-like structure in the Spirogyra is seen during the conjugation, sexual reproduction, heterothallic conjugation, and homothallic. Heterothallic they are because they are of different stain, positive and negative. So heterothallic conjugation is the right choice. Blackening of the snow is due to an algae that is called Escotyla or Rapidonema. In the choice Escotyla given, so A is the right choice. The Spirogyra chloroplasts are coiled, and the coiling is vertically and sinistrally. A1 is the right choice of this question. So today this much MCQ. Thank you.